Hello guys, welcome to Proto Media. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use Safari on iOS 15. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and let's begin. Now there are a few changes with iOS 15 for the Safari app. The most noticeable one is the fact that the address bar is now at the bottom of the screen, and to use it, if I go to a website, you'll see that as I scroll down the address bar disappears. To bring it up, I can either scroll to the top, or I can also tap on the bottom where you see the website address and it should bring it up. Now, if you're not happy with that particular style, you can also tap on the two A's here at the address bar, and you can select show top address bar, which brings the address bar back to the top. To bring it back to the bottom, same, you tap on the two A's and show bottom tab bar. To open a new tab, you need to tap on the bottom right icon and tap on the plus icon, and it should open a new tab for you. Now, to activate private browsing, what you need to do is you need to tap and hold on the bottom right icon and select the first option, private, and you're now on private browsing mode. To turn it off, same, tap on the bottom right icon and click on 7 tabs, which should bring you back to the normal browsing mode. Now to navigate between open tabs, you need to scroll left or right on the address bar itself. So I can navigate between tabs, swiping left or right on the address bar. To close all the open tabs at the same time, you can tap and hold on the bottom right icon and click on close all tabs. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.